The Earth is our home. It's like a single house that we all share as a family. And technically, we're melting it down slowly. Think about it this way. The Earth is an ice cube, and we're just sitting there holding a match to it. During debates and lectures about climate change, we hear a lot about greenhouse gases. But what exactly does that mean? Are we living in a greenhouse instead of on our metaphorical ice cube?
Technically, yes, we are living in a greenhouse. The atmosphere acts as the glass and we are the plants. Greenhouse gases are gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Most pollutants in the U.S. are caused by electrical output, transportation, industry, commercial and residential output, agriculture, land use, and forestry. However, there are natural sources of air pollutants as well, such as volcanoes and forest fires.
Now that you've told us about greenhouse gases, what is the greenhouse effect? How does it work?
The greenhouse effect, surely a phrase that most people have heard, although not necessarily know what it means. When greenhouse gases such as CO2 and CH4 are released in the atmosphere, they contribute to the process that has become known as the greenhouse effect. When the sun's rays enter the atmosphere, most of them are absorbed by land or water. The rest is reflected back up. The land and water then releases the energy and it absorbs in a new form called infrared radiation. Most of this radiation escapes through the atmosphere back into space, but some of it is trapped by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. When infrared radiation encounters a greenhouse gas molecule, it is absorbed by it, and the molecule starts to vibrate. Eventually, the molecule will release the radiation again, where it will likely be absorbed by another molecule of greenhouse gas. These molecules keep the heat close to the Earth's surface, which subsequently heats up the Earth. The reason that the main components of our atmosphere, like nitrogen and oxygen, do not contribute to the greenhouse effect is that they are too tightly bound for their atoms to vibrate when encountered with infrared radiation.